Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, I wanted to test the Pixel Watch 2 and navigation, say in comparison to a vehicle's navigation system. So often I find when driving, the car is quite slow at picking, say if I take a wrong turn or rerouting. So I wanted to check out how well Pixel Watch 2 does with navigating, rerouting, and how accurate it is in comparison to, say, our car Tesla Model X navigation system. In this test, we will use Google Map on the Pixel Watch for navigation. We will see how user-friendly and accurate the navigation is. Also, how quickly it can detect and reroute when taking the wrong direction. We will also drive through a tunnel to see signal strength. So let's check it out.
Okay, so I'm going to set a GPS Google Map direction to Tower Bridge and see how well it can direct us there. Driving. So let me just set this up. Navigate me to Tower Bridge.
Okay, Tower Bridge. Check your screen.
Okay, so here you can see you've got options of driving, walking and cycling. So I'm going to pick driving and it tells you how
Head
long.
west on Bow Road.
Then what you do
A11
now,
towards Fairfield Road.
this is through Google's.
Continue on A11 for 1 mile.
This is through Google's map, and it'll show you how the watch directs you, particularly accuracy of the direction, turn-by-turn navigation to a destination. So I want to also see when we take a wrong direction, how it redirects to the correct route again. You can see turn-by-turn navigation like that, or you can also, by pressing that little map thing there, like I just done the bottom there, it now takes you or shows you the actual route, and you can see live that point following your route. So that's kind of useful. It's not nothing new, but Google Map has been sort of improved over time with so many updates. So I don't usually use Google Map for this sort of thing, but just for a test I think it's useful. So this is on the Pixel Watch 2. You can see it shows you where the next direction is, 0.9 miles. We got to take a left turning. Yeah, it also rotates the screen as well, I think, based on where you are. But I think I'm going to set it back to turn-by-turn view. Okay, and we will see when the next turning comes. So the watch is showing for us to take a left turning on at 0.5 miles. So we're going to miss that. We're going to actually take a left turn now, and then we'll see how that reroutes and how quickly it can reroute. So let's see. I'm just stuck in traffic light here. So we've taken the turning now. Now for the the watch needs to now reroute. Yeah, it's rerouted.
Continue for 1 mile.
It's quite quick, so it's rerouted and it's telling us which way to go now. So you can see that was quite quick. Sometimes even the maps in the cars don't reroute as quickly. So yeah, I mean, most cars have some sort of satellite navigation now, but if you haven't got access to that for some reason, it's always useful to know you can do that on your watch. I got really interesting as well how much battery this takes up. So in Tesla's this big huge navigation screen, so even there sometimes it doesn't route as quickly. So yeah, it's good to know the watch can really quickly recalculate the route. So back in this view, it's really good at using the crown. You can, and it's really fast. You can zoom in and out of the map. Look how quickly that sort of refreshes. I mean, this is really impressively fast. And with the new processor, I think it really helps. In terms of navigation and how quickly it refreshes the map on the screen. So that's really good. Just showing here that how smooth the whole transition and navigation is. We're not exactly going to our destination, but just wanted to do this as a quick test to see how good and efficiently it works. So as you can see, the map really works really well. So I used the voice dictation to ask it for it to navigate us to a destination, and it did this quite quickly. And also you can see how long we have left to get to the destination. Navigate me to Tesla.foot.
I found some choices. Which would you like?
So that's the one I'm gonna go to.
In 200 yards, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Limehouse Link Tunnel, A1203.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Limehouse Link.
So we'll take the right turn and see how quickly the Tesla reroutes and the watch reroutes.
We're gonna take a right turning instead of the left and basically see how the watch reroutes to a destination and how quickly it does it on the Tesla and how quickly it reroutes on the watch as well. Let's see. So the watch looks like it's already rerouted.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Glams Road.
And Tesla is not doing anything yet.
It's done nothing.
So Tesla, did it reroute?
No, it didn't.
Okay, so
Now
Tesla,
turn left onto the highway.
okay, now it's done it
Now
very
it's rerouted.
late.
Now it's rerouted.
It's rerouted after a while now.
Good few minutes.
Yep. So we're turning around again, and let's see how quickly now they
I'm not gonna
capture that.
I'm not gonna follow the Tesla route because I'm just doing a U-turn. Because we're gonna be late. Let's see how quickly now it reroutes.
It's still telling us to go through Cable Street.
Now Tesla's
Continue for 3
rerouted.
miles.
So they both now picked up which way we need to go. It just shows how quick the Google map is on the watch compared to the one on Tesla Model X. So we're in a tunnel now. Tesla's still giving us directions. The watch is saying for us to turn right or rightish in around 2 miles. Actually, I'm going to see the other view and see if this is moving along. Yes. Yep, the watch is still connected under the tunnel and it is moving along with the direct.
GPS signal lost.
Now it says GPS signal lost.
Tesla's still okay.
Tesla's still connected.
So that was a quick test, guys, to show you how well and accurately Pixel Watch 2 can navigate for you. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing.
So we've arrived.
And don't forget to put the notification bell on for our upcoming videos.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
And Tesla's just confirmed it as well.
Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.